Hello, viewers. There's Minnie. Hey, Minnie. And we are at the port of Siuslaw, spelled S-I-U-S-L-A-W. And we are in the city of Florence, Oregon. And the Siuslaw runs all the way out to the Pacific Ocean. It's very, very popular for fishing and crabbing. It's about 4 o'clock and the sun is still way up there. We have had a beautiful warm day. For October, I did not think it would be this warm. There is a marina here, and lots of people come here, as I've mentioned, for fishing and crabbing. This is a really nice campsite, or campground. It's called the Port of Siuslaw Marina. Very popular. A lot of people come here and spend their whole summer here. Here's a little boat. Now these guys here are putting out crab pots. Sorry, I can't zoom in anymore, but they're dropping crab pots out there. That's what those guys are doing there. And across the river are these beautiful, great big trees. This is a great place also for kayaking. And I'm gonna try to go nice and slow for you. Oh, and right here is a beautiful plant that I don't know what it is, but maybe one of you viewers know what that is. Isn't that beautiful? So if you know what that is, please go to my comments and tell me. And so the river goes up, I believe, about 14 miles. And like I said, you can park and back up right to the river. There's Bill. Say hi, Bill. There's Minnie. And there is our villa. And we've had a whole bunch of people here at the park. There's not as many now, but yesterday was all these people, with cameras. And supposedly up there in those hills right there, let me move a little bit. I'm barefoot, so I'm trying to walk on the grass and not the gravel. Okay, ouch. So these people here are here for some rare bird that hasn't been seen here in 100 years or something, and I think they said it was the Oriental green finch, and it's somewhere up in those bushes. And yesterday there was probably, 20 or 30 photographers. Today you can see it's down to maybe 5 or 6. And I've talked to a lot of them, and a lot of them haven't seen it, but they're still hopeful. So this is the campground. It's kind of a bare, basic campground. It's just got gravel, picnic tables, but it's very, very popular. And then one of the things about Florence is there's Old Town Florence, which is within walking distance, and it's down that way, and it's got all kinds of cute shops and little restaurants and gift stores and little touristy type things, but it's really nice. So this is what Florence, the Siuslaw River is like. I hope you like my videos. I hope you're continuing to follow my travels. And with that, I will say, oh, look at this cute little plant that's growing out of the top of this piling, or whatever you want to call it. So that's kind of interesting. Let me move up forward. There we go. Look at that. Growing right out of the top of that piler, whatever. Anyway, okay. So there's that lovely plant. Hope you're doing well, and hope you're liking my videos. And this is Debbie Joy saying bye for now.